A local family's fight for justice is getting new life. Almost 5 years after Fort Wayne police shot and killed Rudy Escobedo, a court ruling says there is enough basis for a jury to decide if officers were at fault. It is a story we first broke at noon, and tonight News Channel 15's Janice Allen continues her coverage in News Control.
Ever since 28-year-old Rudy Escobedo was killed, his family has said it never had to happen. Now a jury could soon decide if that's the case.
Rudy Escobedo would have been 33 this year.
There's not one holiday, I think, that we go through and we're together where we don't think about him.
Escobedo was shot and killed by police inside his apartment in downtown Fort Wayne. The day was July 19, 2005, and that morning he took drugs before making a frantic call to 911.
I'm going to kill myself. Not going to hurt anybody. I just want help.
That cry for help somehow led to a 4-hour standoff with police. When officers finally stormed Escobedo's apartment, they say he was in his closet with a gun, so they shot him.
That was wrong. It's always been wrong. It's something that we don't wish upon anyone to ever have to go through. It just shouldn't have happened.
A ruling handed down Monday says there's enough basis for a jury to decide if that's the case. At issue is whether police used excessive force to end the standoff. The Court of Appeals questions the amount of tear gas and use of flashbang grenades that day.
I believe that he could have came out at that point or was willing to, but we'll never know.
The decision paves the way for the family to settle with the city or head to trial, and it certainly means the fight for justice isn't over yet.
He may have been at a low point in his life, but no one will ever, he'll never have the opportunity to maybe change, to be something different than that, and that was taken away.
And Fort Wayne police have 2 weeks to respond to the ruling. As for the Escobedo family, members tell me they plan to hold a press conference soon to announce what their next move will be. Reporting in News Control tonight, I'm Janice Allen, News Channel 15.